Something every Nomad user should know is how to combine two objects into a singular mesh. So here I have some primitive shapes making up my head and my body, and I'm trying to combine this cylinder with this sphere. How do you do it? Well, you go into your scene and you grab the two items that you're looking for. So in this case, I've got the cylinder selected and the sphere selected with that little check mark. You can confirm, or you can just look at what's purple when you check it off. So now that I have the two selected that I want to combine, I don't go to join. I go actually up top to the right of the one we're in. The menu we're in is voxel remeshing. So if you select voxel, you'll see this remesh option. Now if you're working in low poly like I am right now, you don't want to up your resolution too high. I'm going to try to keep mine low until I have finer details to deal with, like the nose and the mouth and stuff. So I'm going to keep it as low mesh as I possibly can. And then I select remesh. And then you lose your multi-resolution. You can always undo this, but there you go. And as you can see, some resolution has been lost because it's not quite as crisp as it was, but that's okay because I'm just going for basic shapes. And then if I go into my scene again, you'll see it's been renamed cylinder. It took on one of the object's names, but if I turn it off, it's gone. And yep, it's one object now. And you can always rename it. I would rename it head. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And then you can just go from there. I can grab the smooth brush and smooth it out and get it to actually look like a real head. So that is cool and definitely something that you need to know going into Nomad, and something that you would use in ZBrush, but it's great in Nomad. And honestly, I love this app and I hope that you guys too, and you join me in my other videos exploring everything there is to know about this software. Thanks.